today that climate change is a hoax?
You know, I did answer the question because I said the discussions the President and I have had over the last several weeks have been focused on one key issue. Is Paris good or bad for this country?
As seen on this graph, there's a direct correlation of CO2 and the Earth heating up. Now, why do we care about CO2? CO2 is a part of greenhouse gases. They're gases that get trapped in the atmosphere and stay on Earth. According to the EPA, CO2 accounts for 82% of all greenhouse gas emissions, and these emissions are causing the Earth to feel a lot hotter than before, causing severe climate change throughout the planet. Countries all over the world are experiencing droughts, which are cutting off water supply to many people. Some common things we do every day that release more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere is the use of electricity, transportation, and many industrial substances. Something we can all do to help lower the use of CO2 is to buy foods local. When we buy foods from large supermarkets, they're usually imported from far away. If we buy more food locally, we will have less trucks bringing food to supermarkets, which will lower the use of gas and carbon dioxide into the air from these trucks. There are a lot of farmers markets in the Bay Area where we could buy these foods. Transportation is another thing we could adjust to lower CO2 emissions. If we do simple things like carpool, use buses, trains, bikes, or even just walk, we can significantly lower the amount of CO2 we put in the atmosphere. According to the EPA, a regular car releases 4.7 tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere per year. If one person were to get rid of their car and use public transportation, buses, trains, bikes, or even just walking, they'd reduce the carbon dioxide in there by 4.7 tons. Now imagine what 10 people could do, what 20 people could do, what 100, what 1,000, what 1,000,000 people doing that same thing, how much carbon dioxide would be reduced per year.